Good job.
I did kiss too.
That was nice. Here he comes. Here he comes. Whoa. Boom.
Can I look in there?
Tell me something, and then I'll let you watch it.
I'm excited.
What do you think about Daddy?
I think it's yummy.
He's yummy?
Yummy to eat.
Yummy to eat?
Yes, he smells yummy.
He smells yummy?
To eat.
Careful so you don't hit Liddy. Careful so you don't hit her foot.
Boom.
Lydia, what do you think?
I think she smells Daddy's yummy too.
She thinks he smells yummy too?
Yeah. Let's go.
Lydia.
Because Wendy is funny. Now, I got it. See that in here somewhere.
Whoa, going backwards. Good job. Here she comes.